Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use a while loop to update an array. So I'm going to start off creating a subroutine up here called my array. And underneath it we're going to create the array. So this is going to be my, simply going to call it array. Whoops. And we're going to assign it some numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our array. Assigned it some numbers. And now we're going to get some user input. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called entry. I'm going to assign that to prompt, which will get the user input. And then we simply tell the user what to do. Enter number. Right, we're going to go on to the while loop here. So while the scalar entry, what we've entered into there, is not equal to exit. So we've not typed exit in, we're going to do something. We're going to do array dot push the scalar entry. So whatever we've typed into there, we're going to push it into this array. And then we're going to tell the user by printing using say array updated, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the array so the user can see that it's been updated. And then we're just going to simply type scalar entry, assign it to prompt, and the user gets to enter another element. Or else, if the user types in exit, we're going to say exiting array. Okay. Now we just have to type in exit here, which will exit the array. Now all we have to do is call the program. So it's going to be my scalar array. This is how we call it. We save it and we go down to the terminal here. And to run the program, we type in Raku. The name of the program is called test.raku. Hit enter, and we've got an error. Okay, guys, I think I can see the error. Little typo there. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just clear it, and let's just run it again. So that's going to be Raku. Test.raku, hit enter. Okay, so enter a number into here. Let's just make that a little bit bigger. Okay, enter a number. So we got 5. I'm going to enter 6. Okay, 6. Let's go for 7. Okay, 8, 9. And you get the idea now. I'm just going to type in exit, and we've exited it. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a subscribe button below. It's red and white and it doesn't bite. So make sure you hit it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.